Hello, good morning. This video is about Ninjatrader, the information about the platform that you're going to use to trade futures and how this platform works and how to install this platform. And also, I'm going to tell you the margins of futures trading and the initial margin requirements and how much money you need to trade one contract, one futures contract based on the instruments, and also the brokerage that you need to open an account with in order to trade futures. These are three topics going to be in this video. First, I'm going to introduce this Ninjatrader platform. This is a company called Ninjatrader, and it's been around for a long time, and they're specialized in a trading platform, Ninjatrader. That's the platform that we have used for years, and it's very flexible and fast and reliable. And also that it's got the lowest margins that on the market that we can believe. And you look at the ready to trade, the low day trading margin, $50 margins for micro futures. We're not trading micro futures. We're trading E-mini futures. Platform includes all brokerage accounts. You can use brokerage accounts. Connect your brokerage accounts or account to this platform. And you probably get confused why we need to connect, but this is the way the financial market works. You have to have a brokerage account, and you have to have a trading platform to trade. Basically, trade means you buy and sell. Buy stocks, buy options, buy futures, and sell them, and then flat your positions, etc. And on this platform, they have like thousands of apps and add-ons, and basically that's why we like it so much, because we can develop different apps and indicators for this platform and let it work smoothly. Now, this is saying why trade micro E-mini futures. Now, we don't trade micro because micro is one contract is 1/10 of one E-mini contract. E-mini futures is what we are focusing on. Now, you can watch the live futures trading analysis and here and there, and then they basically host all these webinars all the time to let you understand, to educate you. But there's just so massive of this platform you want to learn, but not really necessary to learn everything because it takes a long time. What we're trying to help you here is to focus on one area, one or two instruments or three instruments the most, and to have the trading automatically done and to create the returns of your investment in a low risk setup. So anyway, the second area I'm going to show you is the brokerage. You can open a brokerage account with Ninjatrader, and you can trade basically oil and gold and indices. You can go ahead and open an account right here. You click on open account, and you can start with your email and then sign up, and you have to go through some very specific information of the account agreements and terms and conditions. This is very standard of the security industry. And Ninjatrader brokerage is regulated by the U.S. security industries, and it's very reliable and safe. So you can put your email there and then do a sign up, and then continue on to the next step. And all. If you have your own language prefer, you can choose your language here. But we will probably have another video made to show you how this process needs to be done. Not in this video, just trying to tell you that this is the step that you needed to start doing the apply our strategies to day trade. Open a brokerage account, and now you have to download the Ninjatrader platform. How to download? very simple. Get started with a free advanced charting, futures, and market analysis and the trade simulation. That's what they say, free, but free is for the very standard features. For chart trading, some other advanced trading, you need to either lease their platform or buy their platform. Okay. The next topic is about, well, we're going to also have to give you this information, which is called margins. Okay. Margins is the money that you need to trade one contract, one futures contract. Now, for our strategies, we basically trade three instruments. One is gold, E-mini gold. The other one is E-mini crude oil. The last one is E-mini S&P 500. So now, first, I want to show you the intraday and end time. Intraday margin, it starts with equities, basically E-mini S&P 500, for example. It starts at 15:45 Central Time, and then basically it closes. Well, basically it's a 23 hours and 45 minutes throughout the day. It closed at 15:45, and then session closes at 1600 Central Time, and it'll restart right away. So you have 23 hours and 45 minutes to trade. Intraday margin will be set to 4 times. Well, basically the margin changes for economic news announcements. That basically when there is a major news releases, then the margins are going to increase 4 times. And the news announcements as listed on our trade desk calendar, that's very important. You wanted to look at it before you have the trades set up for the next day. Also, the violations is simple. Basically, the entire position may be liquidated and closed. It means that if an account does not meet margin requirements at all time during the trade, then the entire position will be liquidated and closed. And second, and they will send an email to you, and that there's a violation, basically based on the margin requirement. The first violation, they'll charge you $25 fees, and the next one will be $50. Eventually, they'll close your account, and then you will be basically blacklisted, and they're a brokerage firm, and you're probably not going to be able to open an account with them. So that's very important. And also, that's another part I want to show you is the margins by market. That is important. Now, Ninjatrader offers clients aggressive $50 intraday margin for micro contracts. We don't trade that. But when you trade the E-mini contract, let's say E-mini S&P 500, that's the ES, whether we trade one of the instruments we trade, the margin for each contract during the intraday trading time, which is 1600 to 15:45 Central Time, is $500 per contract. Okay, per contract. Basically, one contract. You need $500 in the account in order to trade one contract, one E-mini 500. Now, there's a gold and the futures. I mean, gold and oil. These are the markets that also we trade. These are the instruments we trade. For gold, now this is their margin table. You will be able to see. Let's say ES is one of the instruments that we trade. E-mini S&P 500 futures. Intraday margin is $500. That means during that time, during the day, you need $500 to trade one contract. The initial margin you don't need to use because we don't carry positions past the 24-hour period. And also margin maintenance means that you carry it for like a day or two, that you don't need to worry about it. Default position limits that, you only can trade 100 contracts, but then that's a lot of contracts, not some size that we trade as a retail trader. This is institutional trading if you exceed this number of contracts or positions opening. And now all-in rates, license level. That's important. License level means that if you have a NinjaTrader platform, which is the platform you're gonna download the platform. First, it's free. Basically, free means it's a very standard features you use to look at charts, look at the symbols and the market movements and stuff. But if you want to trade, day trade, that the strategy that we are going to give it to you, you need advanced platform, which you have to either lease it or pay for it as one-time fee. Leasing it, I believe, is I don't know. We have to look at it. It's been a long time, maybe a couple $100 a month for leasing. Now, let's go back here. All rates license level means that if you have a lifetime license, which I mentioned, lifetime license for NinjaTrader, then you pay one-time fee for NinjaTrader. I think it's $1,200 one-time fee. Once you have a lifetime license for a NinjaTrader, your commission per contract, okay, commission per contract is $2.09. That's the commission that is collected by the exchanges. Now that's one contract, that's one way. One way means when you buy a contract. Now once you have a profit, you are going to sell that contract. So that's another way. It's called round trip. Round trip means one way is $2.09, round trip is $4.18. You're going to have to pay $4.18 to the exchange, and $500 as your margin requirement. So you have to have this amount of money in your account to trade one contract, and that's your fee. But if you lease NinjaTrader, your fee is $2.49 one trip. Round trip will be somewhere around $5. Now, free license, and you have a free platform, a free NinjaTrader. You don't have any advanced and all that. You still can trade, but it's very difficult to place an order. And the fee is $2.79 per contract one way, and round trip will be more than $5. Okay, that is for E-mini S&P 500 futures. Now we have another instrument that we trade. We use our strategies for is gold, GC, which is COMEX 100 gold futures. The initial margin is $2,000. It means that you have to have $2,000 in the account in order to trade one contract for E-mini gold, and the commission is $2.31 for a lifetime license, and $2.71 for the lease version of trading platform, NinjaTrader, and $3 is for the free version. Now, that's one trip. Round trip will be $4.62, and then so on and so forth, and just double it. So that's gold. That means you have to have $2,000 at least in the account to trade one contract for gold. There's another contract instrument that we're going to trade, which is the crude oil, and that's the symbol is CL right here. That's the energies CL. It's crude oil futures, and you have to have $2,000 in the account to trade one contract. And the lifetime, the lease, the free, this exchange fees are like right here, so somewhere around $4.50 and some changes. So okay, these are the numbers that you need, the funds that you need in the account to trade futures contracts. Now let's go back to the platform that we're going to you're going to use to trade futures contract. This is called the NinjaTrader platform, and all you have to do is to enter your email address, and you click download. Okay, now right here you need to have the newest release, which is this version. Okay. Now you can download. Click on download, and you'll see it will be downloaded to your folder, your local machine, local computer, and it's done downloading. Okay. When it's done, you click on that and then let it install. Well, basically it's simple. Just set up. You go to next, and then since I have this already installed on my desktop, and the option is just repair and remove. If you don't have it, it will be installed, and then you just click on next until it's installed. Once it's done installing, and you will have an icon like this on your desktop, says Ninjatrader, and all you have to just double click on that, and then it'll open the platform for you, and then you can go from there. The next, this video is about this much of info. The next video will be about how to set up the Ninjatrader platform, how to set up the charts, and create charts, and what are the bar settings, and some other things. Okay. And also, you can, when you download, you can look at the Get Started videos right here, and they'll give you the information how to use Ninjatrader platform and connect all this and some other areas as well. But you can watch these videos, and also the next video that we're going to provide is also very specialized in the chart settings and bar settings. The explanation of why we use this bar, and then why the charts are set up like that. Okay, thank you for watching, and